I'm Susan. Today I'm making easy big fat yeast rolls. They're really good, but it's been a while since I've made them, so I've had a hankering for them. And those of you who saw my last video, I'm making this video the same day, and you can see I did get the crumbs off my shirt. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, we've got 1 cup of warm water, 1 package of dry yeast, we've got a 1/4 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of softened butter, an egg that's been beaten, and 3.5 to 4 cups of all-purpose flour. And I'm starting off with 3.5. I'm adding my water and my yeast, my sugar, my salt, my butter, and my beaten egg. And I'm going to blend that with a dough hook until everything's well mixed. Now I'm going to mix in my 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and I want to blend that with the dough hook until the dough forms. Now my dough's kind of formed, but the dough does not need to be sticky. But I don't think it needed a full 1/2 cup of flour, so I just did about 1/4 cup, and that was perfect. The dough wasn't sticky anymore. Now you want to dust your board, and you want to put your dough on it and knead it just for a few more times and get your dough ready to go into the bowl. After kneading your dough for a little bit, you just want to put it in a bowl and let it rise for 45 minutes. Now that my dough's risen for 45 minutes, I'm going to punch it down and turn it back out onto my floured board. And I'm going to shape them into 12 rolls and just kind of make balls. And I found the easiest way was to divide it in half and then get my 12 rolls from that. Now I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and I'm just going to roll them into, like I said, roll the rolls into balls after I get them cut, and then I'm going to add them into a greased 9x13 pan. Now I'm going to let them rise again for 30 minutes. Now that they've risen, I'm just going to brush the tops with some melted butter, and I'm going to put them in my 350 degree oven for about 20 minutes or until they're golden brown. Now I'm going to brush more melted butter over the top of my rolls. And here's how they looked. They were very hot. I had to drop that one and grab a paper towel. But they are so good and delicious. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.